Plan in the noise. We pour our hearts into songs no one asked for, stories too deep for the scroll and the swipe. Numbers stay quiet, the doubt starts to whisper. Is this worth it? Is anyone listening tonight? But we keep writing, keep singing the truth. In a world full of echoes that vanish too soon.
The algorithm rewards what is loud and is fast, but the quiet ones grow where the real roots last.
We're planting roots in the noise, hoping the seeds find a voice. Roots in the noise, slow but alive, growing where meaning survives.
Oh, we don't chase the light. Roots in the noise, we hold tight.
Even if the storm hides the sun,
Roots in the noise till the growing's done. Roots, grow, grow slow. They want the flash, the quick hit, the trend. We give them stories that don't have an end. The views might be few, but the feeling is true. One heart that hears it is worth more than a million views.
we're not here for the crown or the viral parade.
We're here for the fire that never will fade. The algorithm rewards what is loud and is fast, but the quiet